have built this Slack AI agent that can respond to Slack messaging. In order to do this, we need to connect Slack with n8n, but it's a little bit trickier. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Slack with n8n and create this AI agent that can respond to your messages. So let's get started. Here, I'm going to add a Slack trigger. I'm going to use onboot app mention trigger. And here we need to set up the credentials. Click on this connect to Slack button. And here we need to provide the access token. Let's get it from Slack. Here in Slack, I'm creating a new workspace so that you can view every single step. Give it a name. Let's say AI workspace. Then give it my name. And next, at this time, I don't want to invite anyone. So skip this step for now and don't invite anyone. And I'm going to continue with free. So this is my new Slack workspace, and here we have channels. Let's create a new channel where we will do the communication. Create new channel, and let's say the name of the channel is YouTube. Click next. It will be public channel and create. So our new YouTube channel is created. Next, we need to create our Slack app. Scroll down, and here click on this connect apps, and then click on this browse all apps. And from here, click on this Open in Slack Marketplace button. Here in this window, make sure our workspace is selected. Now click on this build. It will redirect us to api.slack.com/apps. And from here, click on this create an app button. I'm going to create a blank app and give it an app name. I'm going to give it name n8n. We need to choose the workspace. It is for our AI workspace. Click create. The app is created and we are redirected to this OAuth and permissions page. Scroll down to board token scopes, and here we need to add some OAuth scope. We need to add this app mentions read. Then we also need other scopes like channels read, channels join, chat write, and groups read. So, and these are the scope that we need right now. Now scroll up, and here click on this install to AI workspace button. In this screen, make sure our correct workspace is selected, and here review the permission that our app will need. If you are agree with that, click on allow. So it redirects us to the previous page. Now scroll down, and here it has provided our OAuth token. Let's copy this, and in our n8n, paste this as access token and save. So the credential is successfully created, and now we need to choose the channel that we want to watch for. And if you click here, you can see the available channel is showing. I'm going to use this YouTube channel. Okay, now we need to set up the event subscription. Go to this Slack app creation page, and from here, go to event subscription. We need to enable this event, and here we need to provide request URL. Where we can get this request URL? Back to our n8n. And in this Slack trigger, we have these webhook URLs. Let's expand this. Here you can see we have these two URLs, this test URL and production URL. This production URL will be used when workflow is published. As we have not published our workflow yet, so we need to use this test URL. Let's copy this, and in the app creation page, as request URL, paste the webhook URL. Now, it's failed to verify. To make this pass the verification, back to our n8n and click on this execute step button and back to our Slack. And if we retry now, see, it's now verified. Okay, good. Now scroll down. Now we need to add subscribe to bot event. Click on this add bot user event, and here I'm going to choose this app mention. That's all. Click on this save changes. Now in this app creation page, scroll up a little bit and go to this socket mode, and here we need to turn off this enable socket mode because n8n does not natively support WebSocket and it's rely on the request URL. So we need to turn it off. Now let's back to our Slack messaging and go to our home and select this YouTube channel, and here if we type add, you can see our app is showing there. So choose that and send it. Now it's telling that I need to add it. So click here to add this in this channel. So our n8n app is added. So back to our n8n. Here, let's execute this step, and from our Slack, Now from Slack, if we mention our n8n app and send a message, hello Fishir, let's send it. And in our n8n, you can see the node is executed successfully. And here we have in the output, we have received the message. This is the message that we have sent from Slack. So this trigger is set up correctly. Now let's close it. And now here, I'm going to add an AI agent. Here we need to do some configuration. For source for prompt, change it to define below. And here, provide the user message. This is the message that we received from Slack. Let's drag it here. And then I will add a system message. So click add option, system message. In this system message, give some instruction to this AI agent to follow. I'm going to paste this instruction. That is, you are a helpful assistant replying to Slack messages. Keep response concise and friendly. Okay, that's all for this AI agent. Next, we need to add chat model. I'm going to add OpenAI chat model. Here it is. Here, we need to set up the credential to connect to OpenAI. Click on this connect to OpenAI. And here we need to provide an API key. Let me quickly connect with that. Let's get this API key from OpenAI. To get this API key, we need to go to platform.openai.com. After login, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. From here, click on these API keys. Then create new secret key. Give it a name. n8n Slack. Create secret key. Our secret key is created. Let's copy it and back to our n8n. And here, paste this API key and save. Our OpenAI account is connected. Now let's choose the model. I'm going to choose GPT-4o mini. And this is all we need to set here. Let's close it. And now this AI agent will use our OpenAI chat model to generate the response of the message that is sent from the Slack. Okay, let's open this AI agent and click on this execute step. So it is communicating with OpenAI chat model to execute the step and the output is generated. Let's close this. And the output response of this AI agent, I will send back to the Slack. So here, add another Slack node. It will be send message. It has already picked the credentials from our previous setup. Resource will be message, operation is send, and send message to, I'm going to send message to channel. And here we need to choose the channel. That is our YouTube. And here in this message text, just drag the output of this AI agent here. And that's all. And if we click on this execute step, you can see it has successfully executed. And in our Slack, you'll see we have this response. I don't want to add this in the message. So let's remove that. Back to this n8n, click add option, choose this include link to workflow and turn it off. Great. So it is now correctly working. Let's close this. And now let's test the whole thing. Click on this execute workflow, back to the Slack channel. And here, if I mention n8n and ask a question, what is the name of the capital of France? Send a message. And here you can see the response from our n8n is the capital of France is Paris. So it's working. So we have successfully created our AI agent. Now let's publish this and check this again if publish workflow works. Click on this publish, again publish. So our workflow is published. Now, as we have published our workflow, we need to do some small changes. First of all, let's open this Slack trigger. And from this webhook URL, this time we need to copy this production URL. Let's copy this and back to Slack app creation page and scroll down. Open this, go to event subscription. Here, we need to update this request URL. We need to replace this webhook test URL with our production URL. Click on this change and paste newly copied production URL. And here it's verified. Click on save changes. So it's successfully saved. So back to our Slack channel. And again, if we ask another question, mention n8n and what we can ask, what is the capital of Canada? And send a message. And here we have the response that the capital of Canada is Ottawa. And here it is. It is a reply from our AI agent. Capital of Canada is Ottawa. Great. So we have it. We have successfully created our first AI agent that can receive the message from Slack and reply to the Slack message. But we are not going to stop here. Although this AI agent can answer the question, but this is not much useful. You can check my next video to understand a real world scenario of this Slack messaging. And with that, I believe you have done with this video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye.